So I'm Bob Schnell with Certain Gravity Photography. I am a commercial photographer located in Central Virginia in Richmond. I do headshots, branding photography, some corporate event photography. I've been specializing more recently into the sort of industrial factory manufacturing area. I find that kind of interesting. I've been a photographer since the early 90s in some form or another. For years, I was a wedding photographer and enjoyed it, and then just began to realize that I just didn't have the passion for it anymore or the stamina, to be quite honest with you. I did a few commercial gigs and really enjoyed that and loved the collaboration and a little less drama, a little less emotion. So not less stressful. There's definitely stress involved, but a different kind of stress. So I transitioned over. I lived in Northern California with my wife for several years during and after COVID. And that was interesting. It was a great time out there. And then we moved back to Virginia back in 2023. And so we're sort of starting over to a degree. I started from scratch in California, started from scratch here, a little bit better because I had been born and raised here. I have a network of people, and that's helped out to kind of get me on my feet again, so to speak. I enjoy the portrait end of things. I love taking pictures of people. I love taking very editorial style portraits, dark and a little moody when applicable. That's sort of where I lean. I'll do what the client needs. If I had my druthers, that's what I'd rather do, is that kind of interesting shot.
Yeah. So had you had the same domain the whole time when you were in California and then back in Virginia, same domain?
Yes. Okay. Certain Gravity Photography. When I moved out to California, I changed it. I wanted to do something that wasn't, before it was my name, Bob Schnell Photography, that kind of stuff. And I feel like that was associated with my wedding work. And I wanted to do something that was a little different. If you ask me what certain gravity means, I could probably make something up, but I'm not gonna. I played around and my logo is sort of a little bit surf inspired. It's a little playful, and I think that went with my move to the West Coast, and I just kept it.
So you had certaingravityphotography.com, that domain. You had it in California and Virginia. So you emailed me. You said that you were ranking consistently at 95 on the SEOSpace dashboard.
Yes.
You were seeing stronger inquiries. Can you just tell me more about what that's looked like? Are you booking more of the work you actually want?
Yes. SEO has been a thing that I've looked at and delved into a lot over the years. It's been a headache and many times. It's a lot of stuff to do and a lot of stuff I don't have the brains for. When I was in California, I met a young guy that did SEO work, and he helped me. We would talk once a month, and he charged me not a inconsiderable amount of money, but and he made differences, and he had me think about it. And it was just nice to be like, you do this. And then when I moved back here, and I've been a Squarespace website guy forever, and they suddenly were like, hey, we're partnering with SEOSpace. So I looked into that, and it's a monthly thing, and I learned a lot about that. It was nice to help. And then I like, all right, well, I want to take it sort of to the next level. And also I'm willing to invest in having, SEOSpace do a little bit more of the work. And there's different tiers, as you know, and obviously, and it was well worth it to have a plan that I'm still working on, a well written out plan I can refer back to that, and I've got it in my notes thing. So every once in a while, because a while back I was like, I'm guilty of I'm getting to a certain place. Good. I'm good. And then I'd ignore it, and you can't ignore it. But I got to a place where I was ranking pretty well. And, I've also consulted some AI, Gemini and stuff like that to kind of like, all right, what do you think? Part of it is also, well, you can rank great, but nobody's reaching out to you. Right. It doesn't mean anything. But I started getting these inquiries that just out of the blue, hey, we need some safety photography for a sulfur plant that's here outside of Richmond. Can you do that? And I'm like, absolutely. And the company is out of Chicago. So I'm like, absolutely, I can do that. That was great. How? And found you on Google. And even before that, we found you on Google. So that's great. And I've had several of those where we need our CEO from home manufacturing factory needs some stuff. I'm supposed to do a shoot for a company that makes doors that has a plant outside of Richmond. They need photography, all the different manufacturing stations. It's a slow thing. There's definitely more I could be doing, blogging a little bit more, but I added an industrial page that was part of one of your suggestions. I did that about a month ago. That certainly helped.
I wanted to ask, so I know you've emailed me a few times just to get me to like check in on the work that you have done. Did you find though that the growth strategy was pretty easy to follow and implement?
Yes, I thought so. And it's good to have somebody to have a contact that I can, hey,
Yeah.
I'm not sure I understand this part of it or whatever. And just like the other day when I emailed you, I'm like, oh, I'm getting this, when I do a scan, it's saying this page, the branding photos page isn't showing up. It's not an existent page anymore. And suddenly I was like, oh, I never did a 301 redirect. Did that, ran a new scan, and suddenly it went up a few points. I'm like, oh, derp. So, little things like that. Because I did a bunch of, when I redid the website, I did a bunch of 301 redirects, but I missed that one. It was a nice checklist. There's examples. Yeah, I thought that was, great. There's still a ton of stuff I don't fully understand. Made sure that I'm, that Chat GPT and Gemini know who I am, and that helps.
So you have noticed improvements in Google rankings, but also in AI rankings and mentions and that sort of thing.
I actually had somebody reach out to me and said they found me through, I think, Chat GPT, which is great.
Good.
So that helped a lot. It's just adding confidence and some of that, the emotion of just relaxing and being like, all right, the system is working and I can focus on other things. And just once a month, I need to go in and run a scan and see if there's anything. And there's some things that I'm like, I can ignore that. I don't have to worry about that. I'm not worried too much if one of my blog posts, which I don't do too many of, I did one that was sort of a personal thing. I did a little photo project for a friend of mine who is in a morning radio show down in North Carolina. And I'm like, I don't know how to track that, and it's fine. It shows more human side to what I'm doing, that kind of thing. So that's, if I did all of that and here's me surfing or whatever, and that doesn't help me at all, but the occasional thing like that just makes me a human being, I think. So
yeah, I think so too. I actually think it adds value for sure. So looking back then, what would it have meant for your business if you started working on your SEO a year or two earlier than you did?
I think the obvious answer is maybe I'd be a year or two farther along. Could I be busier? Sure. But I know that it takes a little while. And, I've done some mailings and that kind of thing, and that helps. And sometimes I'm a huge fan of word of mouth.
Now that the foundation's in place mostly, and you're starting to see results, what's your plan for keeping the momentum going and building on it?
I need to be more consistent with like LinkedIn and that kind of thing. I post on Instagram semi-regularly. I know it's free marketing. I just, maybe I'm too old a man, but I can't. I will just do it in some form, whether it's a reel or whatever, just so people know I have a pulse. Yeah. But I'm not going to devote my life of making a reel of me unboxing the camera and there's nothing wrong with that. It's whatever, but I just can't do the shake my camera in the lens. Here's my camera and here's pictures I took. Just go to my website if you want to work with me. That's fine.
Exactly. But you've still got some of the growth strategy to keep working on, right?
Oh, sure. There's pages I need to do. There's lots of stuff to do, but I think I've got the 2 pages and I just need to, there's blog posts, suggested blog posts that I need to start doing.
Thank you for answering those questions. I hope it wasn't too painful.
No, it was great. I can talk all day long. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Bob. Yeah, be in touch via email.
I'm sure I will. I'm sure I'll have questions. All right. Thanks.
Awesome. Enjoy the day. See you later.